demand and inventory.
I've got the data here. We'll integrate market trends to ensure we're meeting consumer needs without overstaffing.
Ensure that these components meet the quality standards. Can your materials handle stress tests, Janana?
Absolutely. We've developed a new composite that's both durable and heavy. It'll enhance the product's performance. Great! Let's finalize the contracts and start the trial production. We need to ensure seamless integration into our assembly line. Production is on a schedule, but we can't compromise on quality, Pat. So what's the line running? Smoothly. We've implemented automation to speed up the process without errors. Each product is checked by sensors for the text.
We've had a minimal efficient so far. The new system flags any issues immediately so we can adjust the spot.
We need to ensure the shipments reach our retailers on time. Check. Is everything packed and ready?
All set. The inventory is ready, and the orders are labeled for each destination.
I back out the most efficient routes will avoid any delays and ensure timely delivery.
We've received some reports. Customers are reporting minor defects. How should we handle this?
We need to identify if this is a production issue. Ms. Kikai, can you analyze these defects?
Sure, we'll run diagnostics and trace back to the source if it's a design flaw when turning to the next stage.
I'll coordinate the logistics to process the reports efficiently and keep our customers satisfied. Let's go. We need to adjust our forecast to account for this trend.
At have been checking customer feedback, and many are excited about our new feature we plan to add. So this could further boost our demand.
Our market analysis also indicates that competitors launching new market which might impact our sales if we don't stay ahead.
Use PK's insights and Genena's analysis verify our forecasting models. We need to accurate demand planning to align our required supply chain.
Everyone, we're facing delays with our overseas suppliers. This is affecting our production schedule.
There's access to our local sourcing due to this delay. We should explore the local suppliers.
Integrating local suppliers into our IDP strategy could mitigate these delays and improve our overall efficiency.
Start promoting local suppliers. We need to diversify our supply chain to avoid disruptions.
We're operating at full capacity, but the increased demand means we need more output. In production will require better inventory management to avoid bottlenecks.
Customers are expecting quicker delivery times. We need to ramp our production without compromising quality.
Yes, look into options for expanding our production capacity, whether it's more shifts or new machinery. We need more.
Shortages of capacity, and we're facing issues with outdated components.
Inventory management is crucial for maintaining our pricing and avoiding unnecessary costs.
Better inventory tracking will also help by managing supplies more effectively.
And advanced inventory management system with real-time tracking to optimize storage and reduce waste.
We can implement a dynamic pricing strategy to maximize profits.
We need to ensure our pricing adjustments not with warehouse cooking.
Competitor pricing trends suggest we have some leeway to increase prices without losing market share.
Erica, go ahead with the dynamic pricing model, but monitor customers' responses closely to make adjustments as needed.
Launch event is crucial. We need to ensure everything is ready, from stock to marketing events.
We'll have enough products ready for the launch.
Sales materials and presentations are prepared. We are ready to make a big impact. Miss Taya, coordinate with all departments to ensure a seamless event. This launch needs to be flawless.
Ensures all our strategies align. We need a unified plan that integrates demand, supply, production, inventory, pricing, and events.
With local suppliers, we produce lead times.
Increase production capacity with waste.
Our new inventory system is operational.